So as a realtor, so often you're only looking at potential sellers in one frame, right? And that's like putting a sign in the ground and acting like a realtor and putting it on the MLS and taking a listing. But what we teach in our acquisition company is we have no idea what's going to be best for the seller until we meet with them. So what we do is we acquire the lead, and that's the acquisition company. And then once we meet with them, we teach our agents how to present a menu of options, and that could be a cash sale, that could be creative finance, that could be a listing. Whatever's best for them, we're gonna help them navigate that. But it all starts with the acquisition company of getting the seller interested in what you have to offer, as opposed to if all you say is I'm a realtor, there's like 80% of the market that's not gonna even be interested to speak with you in the first place, and you're missing out on all that market. So that's what the acquisition company is. Honestly, for us, so we do 15 deals a month off market, and we do another 15 to 20 on market. So you're talking about a substantial operation. And I'm not kidding, with our batch leads account, which is only $99, we were able to pull enough data and create enough leads just off of that to sustain that. We also have a heavy referral model, which is free, but the batch leads account for $99 is really all it takes, and the skip tracing is included. So 99 bucks. Biggest myth that I hear realtors saying today is that you have to always act in the capacity as a realtor. There's nowhere that it says you have to always wear your realtor hat. What it says is that you need to disclose that you're a realtor. But there's absolutely 100% certainty it is okay to act like an investor and to say, hey, I don't want to always just earn a commission and be a fiduciary in that route. If I want to go buy a house cash, or if I want to buy an investment property, if I disclose to that seller all of their options, and if my cash offer genuinely makes the most sense for them, why can't I be the buyer? Why do I have to go put that on the MLS and let some other investor be the investor? I completely disagree with that theory. I love where we're headed in 2024. 2023 was a heavy year. 60 to 70% of realtors did 0 deals. They're out of the business. So that leaves a ton of market share and opportunity for those of us that are going to invest in some software, invest in some education, figure out what to say, how to say it, and who to say it to. If you do those things, you will go win in 2024, 2025, 2026, and beyond. This is a prime season where things I think are about to take off again. It's going to get really, really fun.